Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about the Franck Hertz experiment. From hundreds of experiments invented by both scientists, as we have learnt before, now, we go ahead with the final experiment. The Franck Hertz experiment was the first electrical measurement to clearly show the quantum nature of atoms, invented by James Franck and Gustav Hertz in 1914. They had designed a vacuum tube for studying energetic electrons that flows through a thin vapor of mercury atoms. In this experiment, using a heated vacuum tube containing a drop of mercury, it is fitted with electrodes, including an electron emitter, a hot cathode, a metal mesh grid, and an anode. These batteries are marked for the following: filament voltage up to 6 volts, accelerating voltage up to 40 volts, and retarding voltage up to 2 volts. As soon as the electrons emit from the filament, the electric current measured in the experiment is due to electrons passing through grid, and reach the anode. It then hit to mercury, collides on a grid. The anode's electric potential is slightly negative relative to the grid. As a result, the current in the ammeter drops. For the following graph, we find out the current steadily increases and drops when increasing the voltage level. At 4.9 volts, the current at around 150 amps suddenly drops. Then again, current steadily increases until 9.8 volts reaches, and so on. Therefore, Franck and Hertz noted in their first paper that the 4.9 volt characteristic energy of their experiment corresponded well to one of the wavelengths of light emitted by mercury atoms in gas discharges. The fact that showed the tube emitted single wavelength, corresponding nearly exact voltage being measured by them. So, this video is about Franck Hertz experiment. Like, comment, and subscribe now.